Hey guys, if you want to learn a program such as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, or perhaps Autodesk AutoCAD, or even SolidWorks, and you want to master the program in months rather than years, then you came to the right place. I have a proven way that will teach you how to learn a program a lot faster. And I know it sounds like an infomercial, I'm trying to sell you a book or something, but I'm not. Trust me. Hey guys, I'm Tech from Tech Driven and welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and smash that like button. So to learn a software faster, there's 3 steps you're going to be doing. So first step is you want to learn the basics. So you can grab a book or you can buy a book or just browse the YouTube. There's plenty of videos that will teach you basics on any software you pretty much want. So step 2 is to create a project, something difficult, something that's out of your range at that moment. And what this does, it actually helps you learn where everything is, where all the functions are, because you have to go and dig them and find them, and you're trying to create something that's impossible at the moment, but you will eventually succeed. This way, when you go into software and you find stuff, you're gonna realize you're gonna learn how to search for functions or buttons that you normally would need to create something difficult. And this way it will be stuck in your brain. And this is a proven method that they use in school all the time, because if you ever went to school to learn a software, you notice the first thing they do is they teach you all the basics, and then on an end of the class they'll tell you to create a project, something that's difficult, and you do that to pass the class. And this method applies to this as well. You create something difficult, you try to really hard to make it work. And you will eventually. And this method is a proven way to actually burn it into your head where all the functions are and what you need to do in order to achieve the goal. And step 3 is use the software. Unfortunately, if you don't use it, you will lose it. So do not learn a software that you're not going to be using for the next 2-3 years, because you will forget, unfortunately. And you know, with software updates and all the functions changing, buttons, locations and everything, it'll be almost impossible to keep up. So stick with a program that you know you're going to be using it. Once you learn it, make sure you continue using it, and you will master the program in months rather than years. So hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button.